You may have heard that 1/3 of all food we produce is wasted, and the impact on our planet is huge. Over 20% of our world's fresh water is used on food that just gets left uneaten. Unpredictable growing conditions, limitations in human inspection, and high consumer demand for quality make it difficult to manage produce by its freshness. But what if you could look inside your food to see how fresh it really is, and know how many days of shelf life it has left?
Well, we've been talking to growers, distributors and retailers, and we found out that by combining shelf life information throughout the food chain, we are able to maximize impact. Increased efficiencies will help them prevent food loss, but also save them millions in profits.
Our team of scientists and developers have created an AI framework to scan and predict shelf life, to help you make smarter business decisions about fresh produce, and using our cloud platform to make decisions across the supply chain, allowing you to more efficiently route your produce and reduce the amount of food that's wasted. We're called 1/3 now, but what will we be called in the future?
Hi, I'm Guillaume, the co-founder of Recharge, the first travel platform for electric vehicles. As you know, more than 20% of the global CO2 emissions are due to transportation. So if we want to meet our objective of net zero by 2050, there is no other way than reducing what we need, turning to green energy and electrify. The good thing is, EV sales are booming worldwide, with 20% market share in Germany and all the way to 80% share in Norway last year. So we're on a good track. But the issue is still charging. There are too few charging points and they still suffer from reliability issues. So which means that if you want to travel long distance with an EV in 2021, it's still an adventure. You need to plan in advance where you're going to stop, find backup plans in case it turns that the charging point doesn't work, and when you reach your final destination, you still need to find a place to charge. At Recharge, we want to simplify all of this. We want to bring all this different information into one single interface. In a nutshell, what we want is people focus on the destination, but not where to charge. So we decided to create the first hotel booking platform made for electric vehicles. Our concept is very simple. On recharge.com, you will find all the classic hotel booking experience combined with all the information that you would need to travel with an electric vehicle. You will know if your hotel has a charging point, if there are some public charging nearby, but you also know how much does it cost, if there are parking rules, and with crowdsourced information, you always know if there is an issue with this charging or if your vehicle is compatible. So in a sense, when you book a hotel on Recharge, you know that the day after you can start with a full battery. You don't have to worry about this. But we don't want to stop there. What we want is we want to build the ultimate travel companion app that you can use for any trip you plan with an electric vehicle. From an itinerary planner, where we optimize your route and tell you where to stop to minimize time spent charging, to open charging station, pay for it, and even to find a destination where you can stay overnight to charge your vehicle. Our market is anybody traveling with an electric vehicle. There are already 14 million EVs on the world today, and this market is growing by 40% each year. Next time you plan a trip with your electric vehicle, go and check recharge.com. We have more than 10,000 hotels in 42 countries, so I'm pretty sure you can find the perfect accommodation for you. Thank you very much.
$8 million tons of plastics are dumped in the ocean. 11% of all methane in the atmosphere comes from trash. And 47 billions are wasted by FMCG companies annually. And all because the recycling model is a failed one, as it only punishes if people don't recycle, but does not reward if they do. Tech and Trash created Stipra, a service which rewards people for recycling while allowing companies to obtain valuable consumption data. Companies register at corp.stipra.com choose from one of the 4 SaaS contracts based on the amount of data, rewards, etc., and create campaigns of products they want Stipra to track and grant points for whenever someone takes a picture of those products. Regular people register at Stipra.com and make videos of their consumer products as they throw them in the trash. An AI system finds products and grants points accordingly. Companies then consume that data at corp.stipra.com, geolocating where their products ended up, along with age and gender of the customer. They can then compare that consumption data with their sales data. This allows consumer product companies to know their consumers better. It encourages proper recycling, and it creates a source of income for vulnerable people. We already have campaigns running for brands like Pepsi and Nestle and Nivea. A bit more about the team. This includes a serial entrepreneur with a sales to NASDAQ and a world-known PhD. And we recently featured in the World Economic Forum and Euronews in the press. Join us in our efforts to create a sustainable recycling model which protects the environment, creates a source of income for vulnerable people, and provides companies with tools for them to know their customers better and thus create more sustainable products. Tech and Trash is crowdfunding with Crowdcube. Go to crowdfunding.techandtrash.com and join us as an initial investor. For as little as £10, you can make a difference and join a winning business model.